Hi, this is Terry Buchanan, realtor at Exit Real Estate Professionals Network and owner of TrustThaBeard.com, providing 3D scan virtual tours, aerial drone photography and video, and other real estate related photography. Today, this video has nothing to do with photography or real estate or anything like that. I'm going to work on my truck. So, turns out the front bearings on my truck are bad. The right side is bad, the left side is getting there. So I'm going to replace those. So while I'm doing that, I'm also going to go ahead and replace the brake system on the front as well. Not the calipers, they're in good shape. I'm not going to do that. So anyways, so of course, parts that I need. This is the actual bearing, so it'll go on first, of course. I went ahead and bought new rotors, so they'll be nice and new. And of course, here's the new brake pads and the anti-rattle clips and those kind of things. Along with that, I have, in order to open the caliper up to put the new brake pads in, got a nice C-clamp, piece of hardwood here to help hold everything together. Also have a bunch of zip ties to tie the caliper up out of the way while I'm working on the rest of the system. Of course, I'm going to need some jack stands because we want to be safe. We don't want this thing coming down on top of me. Have a nice floor jack here. I have the lug wrench. Of course, I've got to take the wheels off. Let's see what else we have here. I have 2 sets of wheel chocks. We want to make sure the truck doesn't roll out of the way while I'm underneath it. That could be painful. Also have some penetrating oil. These bearings have been on since 2004, so they're probably on there really well. So this will need to be put on it to break the bolts loose and that kind of thing. Some Loctite because I don't want it coming back loose after I put it on. I have some wheel bearing grease. These things are pre-packed, so I shouldn't need it, but I've got it anyways just in case. This is high temp as well because it's going to be on bearings. Also have some brake fluid. I'll probably need to reservice the brakes whenever I get done with it. I'm not going to do a brake bleed today because I'm not breaking any lines or anything like that. I'm not sucking any air into the system. At least I hope not. So, and doing a brake bleed is difficult by yourself, and I'm here alone today. So, but I have plenty here. When I do get ready to do that, I can do that. Let's see here. What else do we have? I think that's it. So I think we're ready to get started. But before we get started, I need to make some full disclosures here. I am not a mechanic. I tinker with stuff. So, I mean, this is new to me. I've never replaced bearings, so I just wanted to make a video to see what a first-time guy does with it. So, having said that, there's probably some tools and things here. Well, there are tools that I haven't mentioned. There's some other things probably I haven't listed here, but, you know, as we go, we'll figure that out. Also, you know, again, I'm not a professional, so people looking at this, they're probably going to see some things that, you know, what in the world is that crazy guy doing? I'm not a professional, so I'll figure it out as I go. All right, let's get started. Okay, so now I've got it up on jack stands. By the way, important tool I didn't mention a while ago is knee pads. I remembered as soon as I tried to get down on the ground for my jack. Anyway, the knees aren't like they used to be. Got the wheels off. Anyways, ready to take the brake calipers off and start tearing this thing apart. See you in a little bit. So I turned the wheel so I could get to the bolts back here easier. So let's continue on. Right there's what I'm working for. Oh, Lordy mercy. That was a lot of work. You just don't know. got the electrical connector off. That was no easy job. First I've got some tools to get this thing off with, but first I'm just going to try to bang on it and see what happens. And that's how you do it. Well, probably not, but that's how I did it. So this stuff seizes up once you get it in. And there's blue and red. The red will seize up hard. Blue will make it where you can take it back off again. But since these bearings are gonna probably outlast the truck, I don't anticipate ever taking it back off again. Oh, hang on a second, fellas. You guys saw that, didn't you? So first, let's put this on. Okay, so this is side one. I'll put the wheel on and she'll be done. Easy, right? So I finished that job. I'm back here at the office, and if you guys have any real estate needs that you need to talk to me about, I would love to help you guys do that. I'll obviously I am a professional at that, so I can do it a lot quicker and a lot easier than fixing the front end of my truck. So give me a call. Again, it's Terry Buchanan, 865-679-6177. Thank you guys. Have an awesome day.